dude over there is a black and white ruffed lemur. The black and white ruffed lemur scientific name is Veractea vergata. These guys are native to Madagascar. Madagascar. Average life expectancy is 18 years. Can weigh up to 10 pounds. The largest of the 16 species of true lemur. Hind limbs are longer than front limbs, allowing them to run, walk, and leap. Have a wide range of distinctive vocalizations. These guys are native to Madagascar, like all lemurs, and they're endangered because of deforestation. And the predators of these guys is the fossa. There's another type of ruffed lemur called the red ruffed lemur. Black and white ruffed lemurs eat fruit, nectar, and flowers, leaves, and some seeds. And they make loud noises to communicate with each other.